In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions to a video in Crello. Whether you're editing a short film or simply splicing together highlights from your last vacation, adding smooth transitions can elevate your video project to a new level. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to get your videos looking seamless and professional. To begin, open the video editor using VistaCreate's built-in video editor interface. This is where the magic happens. If you're starting fresh or working on an existing project, ensure that your clips are readily accessible in the workspace before you. If your video project involves more than one segment, you need to add these segments as separate clips or pages within your project. This is crucial as each segment will represent a different part of your final video. The goal is to make these clips flow naturally from one to the next, and this is where transitions play a critical role. So, ensure all your video segments are added to the timeline. Once you have your clips in the timeline, the next step is to select where you would like to apply a transition. This can be at the beginning, middle, or end of a clip, or more commonly, at the boundaries between two different clips. Click on a specific video clip or directly on the page boundary between two clips in your browser. This will bring up various editing options for you to explore. Now, let's give your video that professional touch by applying animation or transition effects. Look for labels like Animation, Transitions, or Effects in the toolbar or side panel of the editor interface. Here, you'll find a range of entry and exit animations such as fade in, fade out, slide, and many others. These animations can create smooth movements between scenes instead of abrupt cuts. The trick here is to apply the desired effect at the start or end of a clip. This essentially acts as your transition effect between clips. Remember, when choosing an effect, consider the mood you want to convey. For instance, a simple fade can offer a serene feeling, while a slide transition might bring a dynamic aspect to your narration. Play around with these settings to see what fits best with the overall style of your video. And there you have it. You've successfully added transitions to your video using Crello. With these animation effects, you're not just adding visual interest, you're also enhancing the storytelling of your video. Take some time to experiment with different transitions to find the perfect match for your content. With practice, you'll find that incorporating these techniques becomes second nature, making your videos cohesive and captivating. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!